In this video, I'll show you how to design funnels for real estate agents in Kajabi so you can generate leads, book appointments, and close more deals. Step 1. Create a lead magnet. Offer a free home buyer's guide, a market report, or a checklist inside Kajabi to capture emails. Step 2. Build your landing page. Use Kajabi's drag and drop builder to design a professional page where potential buyers or sellers can sign up. Step 3. Automate follow-up emails. Set up email sequences that introduce yourself, showcase listings, and invite leads to schedule a consultation. Step 4. Add a booking funnel. Connect Kajabi with your calendar so prospects can book property, tours, or meetings directly through the funnel. Step 5. Track results and optimize. Kajabi's analytics will show you signups, conversions, and which offers are working best. That's how you use Kajabi to design powerful real estate funnels and turn leads into clients. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.